if I ask, like, you're wearing a sari, you're looking beautiful. Um, if I say, who is Arushi? Is she a very small kid? किस type से है वो?
I think Arushi is a girl who's just curious, just out there, looking at what the world has to offer and what is the best she can do every day. I think मेरा खुद से एक वो चलता है. If you take all the attributes out, the beauty, the skill, everything, she's just a curious girl who just wants to see the world. I think that's how I would put it.
Very simple.
Very simple. I think जो मैं हूँ, I think हर लड़की similar ही है मेरी तरह. Especially when it comes to Indian young girls, they have a ambition. They want to conquer things, but deep inside they're very simple. कोई ज़्यादा जितना अभी हमको ये है ना कि मेकअप, कॉस्ट्यूम, ड्रेसेस, आउटफिट्स, रील्स एंड अंदर से ना हर लड़की मुझे भी लगता है कि बहुत सिंपल है, कि सिंपल खुशियाँ से वो गोलगप्पे से खुश हो जाएंगे. तो उनको अपनी रील पे 100 के ना मिले, वो एक गोलगप्पे की शाम में अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ चाय पी के वो खुश हो जाएंगे. दे जस्ट वांट टू एंजॉय लाइफ एंड लर्न एज मच एज possible.
Why did you wear a sari today?
I just feel very powerful in a sari.
Really?
Yeah.
So, you are an influencer. Okay? I just want to clear this term that an influencer is, I'm reiterating, an influencer is one who has gained influence by doing something, not by wearing something. Okay? So there are certain influencers out there. मैं clearly नाम लूँगा और फिर जावेद, and there was this young girl walking into the metro just naked, half naked, and they call themselves influencers to influence a society, and they talk about women empowerment parallelly. How does this happen? What's your view on that?
I've seen Urfi Javed. I don't know the other girl that you're talking about. Honestly, I like her. I like her not because of her dressing sense. I think she's a little ahead of her time when it comes to Indian audience. Her dressing sense, maybe it empowers her. सबका अपना अपना तरीका होता है. She uses that to her advantage. Yeah, I think अगर वही same चीज़ वो US में कर रही होती, so nobody would have given her 2 cents of attention. Nobody would have noticed कि हाँ एक लड़की अपना कर रही है क्योंकि 100 लोग कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो इंडिया में ये चीज़ कर रही है, तो इसलिए उसको थोड़ा attention ज़्यादा, उसको थोड़ा people are giving out their opinions that much more.
Do you think वो सिर्फ attention के लिए ही कर रही है?
नहीं, I
उसको
think she's,
US में attention नहीं मिलता, she would have started wearing normal clothes.
I would say she's just trying to express herself, so by all means she has the right to do it, and I feel everyone can if they want to. But yeah, when it comes to is she a good influence on the youth? You can, हर person में ना goods and bads होते हैं, so you can take the good thing that she is very expressive and confident about herself, but एक bad में ये बोलूँगी कि because you're in India, you need to dress a certain way, like place and time देखकर dressing होती है. So wearing that to a party a page 3 party would be great, but wearing that to an airport would make other people a little uncomfortable. So I would say कि again goods and bads.
If she's wearing that same thing to a fancy dress competition जो school में होता है, she'll look perfect. But I mean, if she's wearing this to some place like कहीं cafe में पहन के जा रही है, you can wear just shorts and things and go
just
out.
Just like I said, every outfit
has a place
and time.
Exactly, yes.
अब मैं साड़ी पहन के तो swimming नहीं जा सकती ना, करने को मैं कर सकती हूँ, it's my choice,
वो तो
but then it's not suitable. Every place has its own
exactly
reason.
This अब जो you what you said ना, that makes sense now. With the example of doing swimming and all.
But there's no right or wrong again.
There is never a right
it's
or
the
wrong.
Best outfit that you can wear at an
Right.
event, but then you can wear anything because it's your.
What is the worst outfit you ever worn to a party? Like you felt like fuck yeah, मैंने ये क्या पहन लिया.
Oh. I don't remember actually. I dress pretty safe, I think. I feel very confident with being comfortable in my clothing. The more comfortable I am, the more confident I feel. When I was in Thailand, bikini and all was normal, so I wore it there. But in India, I don't expect myself to wear a bikini at Juhu in Bombay. It's not the right thing to wear there.
There is, I researched that there is a brand of yours coming for the clothing merchandise.
Yeah.
What is it?
I didn't want to disclose the name, but it's called Kahani.
Kahani.
Yeah, and it'll be soon launching in, I think October, November तक it'll be out. 2023. And I'm very excited for it. मतलब वो ऐसा ब्रांड है कि कोई पहने ना पहने, मुझे पहनने में बड़ा मजा आएगा. Yeah.
But what is Kahani? Why Kahani?
I think every person who does anything in life, there's a story behind it. Of course, there's a motive, there's a vision, but there's a story. And similarly, my merchandise has its own story, and the articles that will be coming out, we'll be focusing more on fashion right
Hmm.
now, outfits that I am comfortable with. कोई ऐसा बहुत गर्ली गर्ली चीज़ें नहीं होंगी, exactly how I am, very tomboyish, very easygoing, athletic, leisure wear, but every product will have its own story, which will be on the product displayed. So
Okay. So the
yeah,
concept is for whatever, like if I buy a shirt from
Yeah.
there would be a story behind it why this
Yeah.
is made like
and
this.
it'll be on the shirt. So you
Okay.
can read the story and
That's
yeah.
interesting. So if I ask you कि ना मैं आरुषि को ना कुछ साल पीछे भेज देता हूँ. There are people on the roadies which were not in favor of you. So would you like to omit those अगर तुम roadies दोबारा join कर रहे हो तो?
On my first season, no, I wouldn't omit anyone. On my second season, I've done roadies twice, 2020 and 2022.
Mhm.
Yeah, I would like to omit a few people. Like that would have made my journey a lot more comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to name anyone?
No, it's I think having people whom you don't know in a competition is much better than having friends on the show, because then
Exactly.
you are either competing with them or you know being with them. I would remove my friends and rather just keep my
That's a very
strangers.
smart answer, you know. That's a
Really?
very smart answer.
Really?
Friends
Rather
बुरा भी
than-
नहीं मानेंगे क्योंकि those are friends and I'm comfortable with them. That's a very smart
But
answer.
a smarter answer, I think, would have been keeping your friends on the show so that everyone, you know, you सब लोग तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स नहीं, लेकिन जो 2-3 फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके साथ तुम आगे तक जा सकते हो. मुझे दोस्त घर पे चाहिए, वहाँ पे अगर मैं कंपटीशन में हूँ, then I don't have to think twice कि यार इनके साथ इनको कैसा लगेगा, उनको कैसा लगेगा. Experience.
Why didn't you step into Splitsvilla?
Splitsvilla had a very different concept. It had more of a love angle concept and a connection making, which does not come easy with me. Like मेरे तो लोगों से बात करने में इतना देर लग जाती है, वहाँ पे तो तुम्हें इंस्टेंटली कनेक्शन बनाना, इंस्टेंटली प्यार करना, इंस्टेंटली वो इंस्टेंट वाली चीज़. हम थोड़ा कप नूडल्स कम है, हम थोड़ी लंबी बिरयानी है, तो हमको टाइम लगता है प्यार में पढ़ने में भी और निकलने में भी.
I kind of love it. You actually stood true to yourself that I'll not be fit for the show.
Of course, first season के बाद that's the path, no? People do roadies and do splits and some other show. I was called up multiple times by the production कि भाई आओ करो, you know. It's like नहीं
हो
नहीं, मम्मा डांट देंगी, नहीं हो पाएगा.
If I say ठीक है, this is part of your hustle कि आपने roadies किया, you did a lot of things, you're a beautiful dancer, you're a trained dancer. What is it you want to do in life? करना क्या है जिंदगी?
यार मुझे ना बहुत कुछ करना है.
अभी क्या करना है?
अभी इमीडिएटली जो मेरे से मैनिफेस्टेशन वाले बोल रहे हो ना,
हाँ.
तो मुझे इमीडिएटली ना बहुत अच्छी सी फिल्म करनी है.
Okay, like बड़ा picture.
बड़ा फिल्म एंड वेब सीरीज. दैट्स माय अल्टीमेट लव. मैं बचपन से मूवीज देखती आ रही हूँ, आई थिंक दैट फैसिनेटेड मी द मोस्ट वर द सॉन्ग्स इन द मूवी. तो द एक्सप्रेशंस, द एक्टिंग, द इमोशन, बिकॉज अगर वो मूवीज अगर मुझे इतना ज़्यादा टच कर सकती है, तो मुझे सेम चीज़ ना लोगों को फील करानी है. यू अंडरस्टैंड कि शायद लोगों को, शायद प्रॉब्ली तुम जब मूवी देखते हो तुम्हें वो चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुई है, लेकिन मुझे ना ऐसे हिट करती है. तो मुझे वो चीज़ ना रीमेक करके लोगों को फील कराने कि इट इज़ सच अ पावरफुल टूल, एंड आई जस्ट वांट पीपल टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट मैजिक. भाई एक लाइफ टाइम और बहुत कुछ करना है, धीरे धीरे होएगा, बट कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा.
Okay, so we have come to this part of the show जहाँ पर ना I'm gonna ask, it's called the loose talk.
ओके.
ठीक है, this is something I didn't disclose you. It's like मैं आपसे पूछूंगा ना, आरुषि अभी के जैसे अभी दिन है रात है, तुम कहोगे दिन. This is as quick as that. ठीक है. First of all, are you dating?
Yes.
Have you ever been approached by any one-liner, and what is it? Cheesy.
I don't remember one-liners, but yeah, multiple times.
Multiple times. Would you date a West Delhi boy? Yes or no?
West Delhi boys are great. They always make you laugh. So, yeah. But right now, because I'm dating, so not an option. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean you'll.
West Delhi boy is great. You guys.
So this is I want to like break that thing out जो West Delhi के ऊपर चल रहा है, but it
क्या
is
चल रहा है?
West Delhi को ऐसे कहा जाता है कि यार they're like छिछोरा people and all. जो दिल्ली
They
में
are
से South
very
Delhi.
clean and kind-hearted. Please जो ये सब सोचते हैं ना, क्योंकि मैं खुद भी West Delhi से हूँ. They're the best guy friends that you can have. You can totally trust them. They'll make sure that तुम्हें घर से लेकर पार्टी पे जा घर तक छोड़े, तो you can totally Like,
the thing is, the West Delhi people are more outspoken,
Yeah.
and they are actually Delhi. They're
Yeah.
actually Delhi. They're
Exactly,
Not,
they
this is the true
represent-
culture of Delhi.
they represent
हाँ.
Delhi the best.
And जो भैया हैं, those are migrants, guys. Okay, if I could make you choose which part of the world you were born, which would it be?
India. Totally.
I love you for this. Yeah,
I
this is
love India, and I don't think there's a better place in the world than this country. I feel blessed to be born here. Like बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ नहीं मिलता और हमको बहुत कुछ मिल गया भाई इस country में. Things that I care about, like the different cultures, different kinds of people, food, terrain. तुम्हें desert चाहिए, mountain चाहिए, plains चाहिए, ठंड चाहिए, अगर सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. And सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो spiritual knowledge है, जो पूरी दुनिया जिसके पीछे भाग रही है, वो already यहीं से ही पैदा हुई है. So I
Yes.
feel very blessed.
That's beautiful. Do you like boxers or briefs on men?
That's a weird question. Yeah.
What is it? Tell me.
Briefs.
Okay.
Boxes are, I don't know, it has a very funny look.
Depends how the legs are. Yeah.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Phone calls or text messages?
Video call.
Okay. Do you prefer the mountains or the beaches?
Mountains.
Do you like coffee or tea? Chai.
None.
None.
I'm a water baby. I like water.
Do you like guys with or without facial hair?
I think a guy who's confident can pull off both.
If you could have one magical power, what it would be?
कि मेरे रूम में एंटर करते ही सब लोग ना से खुश हो जाए. I think that can be worked upon as well.
This is kind of achievable magical power. This is
Yeah.
not like यार supernatural कुछ जो exist भी नहीं करती जब मैं गायब हो जाऊँ. Not like that. This is kind of true that I've heard over my show. To be honest.
Yeah, I want that man. गायब होना, तेज भागना, उड़ना, ये सब. How will it benefit me? मुझे रहना तो लोगों के साथ ही है ना.
Okay, that's actually beautiful. This is literally good. Okay, what cartoon do you still like to watch? कि तुम लगता है कि ये तुम होते. Like I personally feel I could be Spider-Man.
What do you think I could be?
तुमने SWAT cards देखा बचपन में?
हाँ.
उसमें मिस केली थी एक.
Okay.
वो. I'm not
What
sure
was
if
she
people.
like?
She was the minister of the whole place, and she used to handle calls कि यहाँ पे आग लग गई है. She used to handle a lot of things.
तुम्हें call center वाली लग
नहीं
रही
नहीं
है.
यार, it is not.
Okay. I like Powerpuff Girls a lot. I like Kim Possible. I like Dee Dee as well, Dexter Wali, because she was in her own world all the time. And yeah, all these थोड़ी powerful boss lady वाली vibe, but looking very pretty, and मतलब देख के कोई नहीं बोल सकता that she's
So
that
the SWAT cats women, the Kelly I was telling her, she's the one. She's like the minister of the state.
the alpha woman.
Alpha woman. Yeah. Would you rather permanently look like a fish or smell like a fish?
Look like a fish. I don't like the smell of fish.
This question is arise because you
And also
posted.
because I have a very strong nose,
Yeah.
so I get very.
That happened for your roadies audition. Like they
Yeah,
made
yeah.
you smell
Yeah.
different things.
I'm okay with people not looking good, but I am not okay with people not
Smelling good. If you could pick a new first name, what would it be?
I think Isha would have been nice. I feel that I can be Isha. What do you guys think?
What is the most outrageous thing you ever worn at a dress up at the party? Like, oh my god, this is something I'm carrying. Too beautiful.
Too beautiful.
Yeah.
I think a sari would be great at a party.
Really?
Yeah. I recently wore a black sari with this hairstyle and a belt, and it was like very badass but very feminine. So yeah. But I don't mind Urfi like styling me for an event once. That'll be fun.
So here we come to the end of the show. Anything you feel like you want to say to the people? This is something that I can pick up. What is that?
I've been asked this question a lot, but I didn't answer it anywhere. This is the first time I'm telling. People are asking me, why did you get this haircut?
अच्छा.
Like एक सुंदर सुशील लड़की जो रोडीज में हमने देखी है और सडनली उसने ऐसे करवा लिए बाल and not even short, this is like boy cut. So this is for all the girls and the boys out there. If you want to change your life, the first thing I think that helps is changing how you look. So this is something that I said in my roadies audition also, that looking beautiful is not enough. You have to be strong physically, mentally and emotionally. So yeah, if you're out there watching me, no matter what people say, no matter how you feel right now, if you want to change something about yourself, change by starting with your looks maybe, and that really helps because it helped me. Try to be the best, realist version of yourself, and things will start working out.
All right, so that was a beautiful conversation with Arushi herself, and thank you so much, guys, for joining. And we're gonna see you in the next episode. My name is Nikhil. You can follow me on Instagram. Obviously, her Instagram, many people know. Mrs. Zala followers hai. So, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Obviously, it's gonna pop up here as well. So please go follow her if you have not followed her. आप मेरे through आए हैं तो नीचे नहीं जाके लिख देना. We're gonna see you in the next video, ladies and gentlemen. Adios.